Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi everyone, this is Jazla Ismat from Jazzy's Recipes. Today I am going to take you through an option of fish barbecue process. I have got Linna Parav, however following types of fish are also recommended: Kumbala, Galmalu, Vevmalu. There are infinite ways that you could prepare and season roasted whole fish, but my favorite way is super simple. Take a wide pan, add 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Dry roast them on a very low flame for 2 minutes. Keep stirring and take care not to burn them. Now add the roasted spice powder to a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd, half a teaspoon of glow turmeric paste, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of oil, half a lemon juice and salt as needed. Mix everything together to form a thick paste. Now take the fish and make small gashes on the fish with a sharp knife so the masalas can penetrate and season the fish throughout. Be gentle and do not cut too deep. These cuts will hold the masalas later, so take time and make as many even cuts as possible. This is a very important step. Apply the marinade on the fish. Make sure that the masalas are evenly coated. Apply masala in the gashes so the fish gets evenly seasoned. Also make sure to apply the masala inside the belly. Now let it rest 3 to 6 hours in the refrigerator. Keep the leftover masala paste for later use. Take 2 banana leaves and soften it in fire. Place the fish and now apply the leftover masala over the fish. And then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of butter on top of the fish. Also stuff the fish with some green chilies, onions, garlic and some curry leaves. Now wrap the leaf around the fish to cover and tie with banana string or use a kitchen twine to secure. Take care not to tear the leaf while wrapping. Now it's time to grill the fish. I'm going to grill the fish over the smoky charcoal. Place the banana leaf parcel on barbecue rack and keep roasting each sides for 30 minutes. While flipping the parcel, make sure you do it carefully or else the fish might get damaged. I'm not sure exactly how to say when they are finished cooking. It depends on your heat. but for myself it took 30 minutes for each sides. Once you grill the fish, remove from the heat and place on a serving plate. Carefully remove the banana leaf and serve sizzling with a slice of lime juice. Now the fish barbecue is done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. Don't forget to share and like Jessie's recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you as always for your support and stay tuned for more from Jessie's recipes. In case you are wondering how you can get a hold of Glow Turmeric Paste, it is available at Glow Shop and Cafe Battaramulla, DPGV Agri and Farm Shop around the country, or simply log into www.glowshop.lk. Thank you for watching.